So hello friends, today we are going to discuss the vitamin K. Okay, so vitamin K, first of all, it is fat soluble vitamin. Okay, fat soluble vitamin, and its three form is found. One is vitamin K1, second is vitamin K2, and remaining is vitamin K3. Okay, the chemical name of K1 is phylloquinone. Phylloquinone. Okay, the second is menaquinone. Okay, and vitamin K3 is known as menadione. Okay, so first point is that it is fat soluble vitamin. Okay, fat soluble vitamin means in vitamin K a long chain of hydrocarbon is present. Okay, so that's why it is fat soluble vitamin. First point is that. Okay, K1 and K2 and K3 is a type of vitamin K. Okay, so in which two vitamins K1 and K2, this is present in leafy vegetable, and it is present in intestinal flora, and it is synthetic made. Okay, it is synthetic made. Okay, so these two vitamin K1 and K2 is natural origin, while vitamin K is synthetic one. Okay, so K3 is different from K1 and K2 because if you see the structure, this is the benzene ring, this is the other fragment, it is called quinone. Okay, so quinone mighty isoquinone. Okay, so these in vitamin K3 only this fragment is present, and this fragment is called double bond conjugated with ketone, so it is called alpha beta unsaturated ketone. Unsaturated alpha beta unsaturated ketone or enone. Okay, so it is the fragment which is responsible for water solubility, water because what happen here, interaction will be possible because this is carbon having positive charge. Okay, electrophilic carbon, and oxygen having negative charge, and in this is in conjugation. Okay, so these are factors responsible for solubility in water. Okay, other vitamin K1 and K2, this fragment is present, but in this a hydrocarbon chain is present. Okay, so that's why it is fat soluble vitamins, because the percentage of aliphatic hydrocarbon chain is much more as compared to these polar groups. Okay, so that's why it is soluble in the fat. Okay, so next point is that if you see fat soluble vitamin, which includes vitamin A, D, E, and K. Okay, so K is act as a coenzyme in fat soluble categories. Okay, so it is very important for that. The next point is that if you see the function of vitamin K, then the major function of vitamin K is blood clotting. Okay, so blood clotting, and in this several factors responsible for this, such as 2 4 9 and 10. Okay, and in the transformation, if you see the post translational gamma carboxylation, post translational gamma carboxylation. Okay, so in this what carboxylation factors. Okay, so what happen here, vitamin K act as a, this factor will be activated by vitamin K, where vitamin K act as a coenzyme. Suppose that this is the protein, and I have discussed in the protein that protein is made up of amino acids. So in this NH CH CH2 CH2, suppose that this is acidic group is present, suppose that, okay, suppose that this is the glutamate. Okay, and in this vitamin K act as a here coenzyme. Okay, and it converts to this protein to NHCH CH2 CH2 COO minus, COO minus means charge will be present here. Okay, so it, what happen here, in blood calcium is present. Okay, so it interacts with calcium forming chelate type structure. Okay, so it is called calcium prothrombin. Okay, complex. Okay, so in this thrombin will be released out. Okay, thrombin will be released, which takes place in the blood, takes place in blood clotting mechanism. Okay, so it is very important for blood clotting mechanism. Okay, so vitamin, so the main function is blood clotting. Next point is that three drugs is present. One is warfarin, second is salicylates, third is dicomarins, Okay, so these three drugs have been synthesized which antagonize the antagonistic effect, you can say antagonistic effect, किसके against vitamin K. Okay, so it is very important for in pharmaceutical industries. Okay, so the next point is that in neonates means newborn babies, vitamin K is not present. Okay, so in that cases there will be a, when blood clotting is not takes place due to absence of vitamin K, so doctor prescribe that 1 mg vitamin K is provided to the newfants. Okay, for fulfilling the requirement of vitamin K, and if any blood vessels are burst like that. Okay, so means in the case of hemorrhage, vitamin, if you are giving the vitamin K into newfants, they fulfill the requirement of vitamin K, and in hemorrhage vitamin K takes place in the blood clotting. Okay, so the next so it is very important, and okay, the next point is that, so it is all about